And today, here we are with the latest portable display from Philips, model 3000. Link will be down below with all the specifications. Still don't know the price, but soon enough we will be able to. Now, this display has one thing, actually a few things, but one is that it's so simple that it only has one connection, and it's USB Type-C. So if you ask me, hey Robert, can I connect HDMI? Nope. Can I connect display ports? Nope. Can I connect USB Type-C? Yeah, USB Type-C will be the connection that we will be using. I did test out with two machines, we'll share with you. Now, something that is simple as well and really affordable is if you're looking for a budget Windows 10 or Windows 11 Home Edition or Pro Edition, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where we can find budget and official OEM keys. And with the coupon code that you can see on screen, and that I will leave down below in the video description, we can get Windows 10 Pro at $7 US more or less, and Windows 11 at $13 US. So just in case you want to check that out, I will leave the link down below. Now, the display, besides having this interesting feature, which is really simple in terms of build quality, it's made of metal. So this is from all the portable displays that we have tested. In terms of build quality, the best one so far. Metallic frame all around on the bottom part, on the back and on the front. It's a metal with a rugged feeling, a texture, so really nice right over here. In terms of connectivity, USB Type-C only, as I mentioned. We have a Kensington lock on one of the sides, and then here at the back we have the menu buttons. In terms of the menu, it's what we are used to see on higher end displays from Philips. Really easy, intuitive to work with, simple, but at the same time it has all the options that we require from a display. There is an interesting feature that I only seen now, and I'm not really sure if it was present on past displays, which is on the preset image. We have a lot to choose from, but one is the reading mode, and that one captured my attention because it actually turns the display to a black and whitish color, which actually will make reading ebooks and things like that, or even any other documents, a lot easier, and probably will keep our eyes away from advertisements and things like that, which sometimes pop up with those colors and so on and so forth. So this is a really interesting feature which I need to dig in a little bit more. It's an IPS panel, 1920 by 1080, with a matte display, 15.6 inches with a refresh rate of 75 Hertz with 4 milliseconds of response time. Now, although this is not a gaming display, it's not bad at all if you want to play some games on this display. I wouldn't in my particular case. I do see it as a mobility device that will make my work a lot easier on a daily basis, because only one display from my laptop is not enough for most of the tasks that we do these days. So two displays, and I do this on my daily basis. I've shared this many times with you, where I do put one of my displays on my bag with my laptop, just go to work, and I can have an Excel sheet on one side and the other app on the other side, and I can be typing all the data that I'm looking without just having one screen that will be everything crammed. So this is the way that I see it. Besides testing out with the MacBook Pro, which I was expecting to work just flawless, I also tested with the Shui Lark box that we've seen a few weeks ago right over here on the channel. Great machine, but a simple and budget machine. I will also leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out. And what I did test out was the USB Type-C works as expected, no issues whatsoever. So although this computer has HDMI, DisplayPort will not work, only via USB Type-C. I also tested out of curiosity via USB Type-A to USB Type-C, but that did not give me the image. So just in case you are wondering, I did test it out, but did not. If it did, would be great. Not sure if it's a limitation of the machine, but I guess not. Forgot to mention that on the back, besides all that I've mentioned so far, it also has the VESA option. So if I want to put it on a arm or on the wall, I can do so. Although it is an option, it's great to see it right over here. I love VESA mounts on everything, but on this kind of display, I don't see myself at least using it. One thing that I see myself using is something that is the first time that I see on the display as well, at least on a portable display, which is this one is smart enough that if we turn it vertically, it will detect that it's vertical, and I don't need to go to my computer settings to change anything. It will just go on vertical. Now, the only thing that I saw that did not work as expected was the desktop wallpaper background did not scale as well, but everything else worked really awesome. The browser and any other app that we have open, it will just extend and will work nicely. But it is really surprising because on usual displays, what we need to do is put it on the vertical, and then on our laptop or computer, we will need to go to the settings and rotate the display so that it knows that the display is on vertical. But this one, no, it is smart enough to detect and change everything. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.